Back again with a short video showing me building a concrete block wall. There, that's where I wanted the wall to go, to create a bit of a border and also eventually to support a wooden structure that the swing can hang from. I've got this metal bench swing, but I don't like these awful metal legs and the frame that stick out. So I was wanting to create a concrete wall and sit a wooden frame to it that will connect to my greenhouse, which is over on the right, and then I could hang the swing from the wooden support, and I could also have some trellis above the wall to create some privacy. I set the first 3 concrete blocks on partially on a bit of step that was already there, and then I extended the step with some leftover gravel board, I think it was, and made it nice and secure before I put the first 3 blocks on. And the first 3 blocks were easy because they didn't need cutting. The next row up I needed a cut block, and I'll show you how I did that in a minute. These blocks were the absolute limit weight-wise for me. They are so heavy. But it's not very difficult at all, really. It's just that they are heavy. That's the only downside to building a concrete block wall. Just getting them level with my rubber mallet. I just used ready mixed mortar, Blue Circle ready mixed mortar. That's all of the concrete blocks in position. I promise you I did do everything myself. I am going to render the wall eventually. This is me just finishing off. I realised I nearly did it, and then I thought, oh my gosh, I should have been making a video of this. I made a line with this, I can't remember what it's called, chisel thing, all the way around. You keep having to turn it around, doing all the sides, and then eventually it just breaks off like that. It takes about 10 minutes to do one. And there's me just pop some tiles. These are tiles, old vintage tiles that I dug up from the garden, various places. Just putting them on to see whether I like the look of it. They weren't perfect, a bit damaged, but it doesn't matter. I like it. I liked them, and I patched them up a little bit with mortar when I fitted them and pointed them. That's all ready for rendering now, and that will form a nice strong support for the wooden support for the swing as well. See you soon. Please like the video if you liked it. Thanks, bye.